once again, thank you for watching the Sewing Doctor. And this time I have a HZL-LB5100. Completely jammed up. The wheel doesn't turn, not even half, nothing. You try to turn it, and I know that if I force it, I'm gonna break it, so I don't, but if I try to turn the wheel, it's not turning. Now I'm gonna show you how the machine is, the condition of it, so you can see. Like I always said, I don't have a problem taking machines that the customer take apart, like this one did. But make sure you don't lose any of the screws or any part. Put it into something, a tower or something where you don't lose any parts. Because if you lose the part, then that's it. It's nothing much that I could do. I'm gonna see. Hopefully she has all the parts that she brought in here. And if she did, I'll definitely get the machine up and running. Again, the Sewing Doctor, and let's jump into the Juki machine. That mostly everything is out now, and I just had to take the whole shaft off. But I want to show you here. See, this part here. This is what's frozen right here. This arm right here. This is the take up. It's completely frozen from here. So I'm gonna open it up and see what's happening here. But this is supposed to move up and down free, and it's not moving. It's very, very tight right here. So I'm gonna take that screw out and see, what's happening here. But there's something wrong in that spot here. This, see this, how this is moving? This one should be moving free. And look, I can't even, nothing. I can't force it. It doesn't move. So I'm gonna open up the screw, check and see what's going on. Okay, you can see now how this is completely free. You see how this one is moving there too? So they both moving correct now. So what I did, I actually took that screw that threads, this screw is threading the other way around. So it doesn't screw in as a regular screw. I took it off. I'm gonna put everything back together. Everything should be fine. Here's the machine now. You see this here, it's a copper bushing that the machine uses here. It's a copper bushing right here. So I probably got spanned a little bit, and got the machine very tight, but I was able to get it free. Like I said, that screw there, this one here, it might just get hard and expand or something and make everything tight. But right now, you see, I buff it up a little bit, I clean it, I make a little more smooth using a polishing machine. But look, everything looks great now. Now I'm gonna just need to put all the covers back. Be careful, this is a sensor here, you gotta be very careful with the sensor. This is that tells the machine either up and down and things like that. So put everything back together. Now it should be fine. Look at the machine turning perfectly free now. Here's the machine. This is the Juki HZL-LB5100. This machine was completely jammed up, and now you can see everything is working nice. Everything is working perfectly fine. No issues with it. Any stitch you select is working fine. Let's make stitch number 1, just a standard one, number 0. Okay. You see, so this customer took the machine completely apart, and the only thing it's missing really right now, the only thing I don't have is that small, plastic cover here. But I'm sure she has a home probably, because I'm sure she has a home. So I'm gonna wait for her to come and pick up the machine and ask her about that plate. That's the only thing is missing, but everything was there. There's a little cap here also that doesn't have it, but everything is perfectly fine. So the machine is 100% working now, and the customer should be 100% satisfied too. Okay, the machine has now completely been finished. I already showed you all the step by step exactly what I did, and now the machine is just fine. All the stitches are working fine. Everything is great. Good stitching, zigzag, all the stitches working fine. A couple of little things in there. Like I always said, when you take a machine apart, make sure you save everything. This customer, D has all the screws, D has all the cover. It's missing a couple of little things that I show you, a little cover here and the plate that covers the bobbin winder, but I'm sure she probably has that horn. Because she probably put it away or something. That's the only thing, but that's not preventing the machine from stitching. So now the machine has been completed. The Sewing Doctor. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.